Welcome to Excel Highway, your one-stop shop for all your Excel needs. Today I want to share with you the replace function. This function can be used whenever you want to manipulate your Excel data very quickly and easily. And I've built this example, let's say a more complicated situation where you have to replace text that the location is not always fixed and the number of characters is not fixed as well. So the problem I'm trying to solve here is I have a supplier SKU, and as you can see there's the SKU number, which is similar, but the supplier name is different and it has a different number of characters, and also the SKUs differ in their length. And you can see that the layout of the SKU is the SKU itself with a number of digits, hyphen, and then the supplier name also with a changing number of digits. And eventually what I want to do is I want to standardize the name over here, where I just replace whatever supplier name into the name home or whatever you want to call it. And that's how you see I have the three names which are similar, and then I can just run my analysis based on a unified name. So how is this done? Since you can see that the name changes and the length of each part change. So what I do here, I'm using a helping column, I call it index, where I'm searching for the hyphen symbol. I'm using search, the text, hyphen, where to find the text, and starting number. So this should give me always some sort of index, and you see it changes 4, 5, 6 depending on the number of characters for the SKU. Then I'm going to use replace. Replace is basically a very useful function where you indicate the old text or old cell where you want to start replacing the text. So for me, the starting number is the index plus 1, since I want to replace the last part of the string. And then the number of characters should be the length of the old string minus the index. That would be the number of characters, and length, if you're not familiar, that returns the number of characters in a specific cell. And lastly is the new text that I want to replace it with. In this case, home, 4 characters. And it doesn't matter how many characters my old supplier name has. I'm still going to replace it with the name home. And that's all. That's how it works. And I just drag the formula, and you can see that it standardizes everything, whether it's a 4-digit SKU, 3-digit SKU, 5-digit SKU, etc., etc. That's it. If you enjoyed this short video, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, like it, and I'll be seeing you next time. Take care.